In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time zone in TradingView mobile app. Now, as you can see at the very bottom right, there's that menu with three dots, and above that, just above it, you can see there's like the little settings icon, okay? So the cogwheel, as you can see just below the prices on the right-hand side, there's like a very small cogwheel. You have to actually tap on that, and it's going to open up this menu. Now, on this menu, you have to scroll down to the very bottom, and in here, you want to tap on More Settings. When you tap on More Settings, from here, you can see there's a bunch of things. At the top left, you want to tap on that arrow to go back, and then you want to go inside Symbol. Now, when you're inside Symbol here, as you can see at the bottom, it's going to say Time Zone, and this is where you can basically change it. Just tap on whatever it says right now. You can change it to whatever you want. So, for example, if I want to do a Phoenix over here, I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to press OK, and there we go. My time zone has been changed. So, that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.